Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the source code of this PHP project. So this is just a simple point of sale system. So here, this is the GitHub repository, and as you can see here we have all the files. Here's the database or the SQL file, and also the inventory file. So first is we're just going to download this one, and then here let's move this to our XAMPP htdocs folder. So let's just paste and extract the file. Next is, so I'm just going to delete that one, and so this is the extracted file. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to rename this one. I'll just add it to, and then he'll just copy and then move it in the htdocs. So this is now our project files. So next I'm going to do is, so we have two SQL files, the point of sale and the inventory. I'm just going to rename them since I have already created these SQLs or databases in the phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to create a new database so I can show you how I can import them. So first is I'm going to create the inventory, and then just click the import, and I'm going to choose the file, and we're going, so this is make sure you are in the POS or your project file. So click that one and then just click go. We have successfully imported. Next is the POS, the inventory, the POS database. So make sure that the file name and so I'm just going to discuss this one. So the POS and inventory are connected. So this is the project, and if you would like, I also created a video on how you can get the source code of the inventory management system. So I'm going to import now the point of sale and add. So they are now imported. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to visit the so this is the, let's just try first. Let's check out, enter the amount and the details. Seems to be an error, so there's no error. So as you can see, the queries or scripts are working fine. So next thing you need to do is, since we created a different database name, we need to update the connection.php file. So let's try if this will work. So it still works, so that's nice. So let's try. So the price is 0, so I guess we set 0 in our database. Let's see here in our POS.php. So it looks good. See why the 0 value in price. Again, the images, you need to make sure that you are pointing to the right IMS folder or the inventory folder name. So you just need to update the POS.php to ensure that you load the images correctly. Let's try the still 0. But if we check out, it is set. However, the printing of receipt turns an error. So let's fix this one. So okay, so we just need to change the redirection of the printing of script. So it's in the script.js file. So since we changed the folder name, it is POS main. So if we're going to try this one again, check out, enter amount, and okay, let's try maybe this one. Check out, so just disregard the 0, and as you can see here in my inventory, let's just manually set the price since all of these are set to 0. So let's refresh again and let's order. So let's try 128. So the price and the amount is now reflecting. So let's do the checkout, and then let's add the customer's amount, say 5,000, and the details, checkout, and as you can see, we have now the printing of receipt working. So basically that's just it, and we also have this dashboard just to show you how many orders, quantity sold, and the total sale amount. So that's it, and just check the description on how you can get this code for free.